Hi everybody, today in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Facebook issue that's showing you like Facebook upload fail, like each second or hour or whatever it's showing you the notification. So you want to get rid of this and you want to follow this tutorial right now. So let's get started. The first you can do is go to this information or app info and scroll down until you find storage. As you guys can see, I have storage right here. From here you need to clear cache, and then you need to go to Facebook once again, and all you need to do is log out. Yeah, you heard right, that you need to log out. You need to go to app info once again on Facebook and force stop this time, and then go to storage. This time clear cache once again. Now you will need to re-log in this, and you can already see that your notification has been gone. So re-log in your Facebook and check it out if it is still working for you or not. And as you guys can see that the notification has been already been disappear since we cleared the cache. That's it guys, this is how you should fix this issue. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.